Dear learners, welcome to my online class. Hope you are safe and sound at home and maintaining proper hygiene. And also hope you are keeping a good relation with your books. I am here with you, Saim Akhtar, Resource Teacher, English, Surjanagar Dimukhi High School, Rajbari Shodor, Rajbari. Today, I will discuss a new topic of class 9 and 10. Today, we will learn how can we complete an incomplete sentence. So, our today's topic is completing sentence. Quickly, take your notebook and pen and watch the class. Look at the board and follow rule number 1. There are 3 words, since, as, because. Since, as, because. At first, before knowing the rules, we have to know the Bangla meaning of these words. So, since as, the Bangla meaning of since as means jehetu. Bangla meaning of since as means jehetu, and because means we know, because means karon. So, when we notice these words in the sentences, suppose example number 1, since the man is weak. Since the man is weak, daughter. We notice this type of sentence in our question paper and we have to complete the sentence. Okay? Since the man is weak, the Bangla meaning of it is jehetu lokti durbal. Okay? Our next sentence will be he can't walk. সে যেহেতু লোকটি দুর্বল সে হাঁটতে পারে না. Another example, as the boy is brilliant. Brilliant. As the boy is brilliant, that means যেহেতু ছেলেটি মেধাবী, he get good marks. He gets good marks in the exam. He gets যেহেতু ছেলেটি মেধাবী সে পরীক্ষায় ভালো নাম্বার পায়. Okay, our third example, number 3, because the man couldn't move an inch because complete the sentence. The man couldn't move an inch. লোকটি 1 ইঞ্চিও নড়তে পারে না. Because কারণ, notice my students, couldn't. The verb is in the past form. So, what verb we will write now? That will be in the past form. The man couldn't move an inch because লোকটি 1 ইঞ্চিও নড়তে পারে না কারণ he was ill. কারণ সে ছিল অসুস্থ. Okay, notice our verbs couldn't, so we have written was. If there is can't, we will write is. Okay, now we will go to another rule. Dear learners, notice rule number 2, as soon as. The Bangla meaning of as soon as is যেই মাত্র সেই মাত্র. Suppose যেই মাত্র পুলিশ চোরটিকে দেখলো, চোরটি দৌড়ে পালালো. সেই মাত্র চোরটি দৌড়ে পালালো. Example number 1, notice as soon as I reached the school, notice as soon as I reached the school. The Bangla meaning will be যেই মাত্র আমি স্কুলে পৌঁছালাম সেই মাত্র the bell rang. যেই মাত্র আমি স্কুলে পৌঁছালাম সেই মাত্র ঘন্টা বাজলো. As soon as, in the sentence with as soon as, there will be the verb will be in the past tense and the another verb will be in the past tense. Our third rule is unless. Unless, the Bangla meaning of unless is jodi na. The Bangla meaning of unless is jodi na. Jodi na. Suppose আমরা বলি না যদি না তুমি ভালো মতো পড়ো তুমি পরীক্ষায় ফেল করবে, যদি না তুমি আমার কাজটা করে দাও আমি তোমার কথা শুনবো না, এইরকম এই টাইপের সেন্টেন্স. Notice example number 1. Unless you work hard, unless you work hard, ... We notice this type of sentence in the question paper and we have to complete that incomplete sentence. Now we will complete the sentence. Unless you work hard, যদি না তুমি কঠোর পরিশ্রম করো, you can't shine in life. You can shine in life. Dear learners, notice this verb. This verb is in the present form, so I have written the verb in the present form. If the verb is in the past form, worked, then we have to write there, instead of can't, we have to write there couldn't. Remember it, that if there is a verb in the present form, we have to write our verb in the present form, and if the verb will be in the past form, our verb will be in the past form. Okay, I will give you another example. You will miss the bus. You will miss the bus unless. তুমি বাসটি মিস করবে, unless, যদি না, যদি না you walk fast. তুমি বাসটি মিস করবে যদি না তুমি দ্রুত হাঁটো. Okay, now we will go to rule number 4. Rule number 4. Now follow. Rule number 4. Though, although. Though, although. The Bangla meaning of though, although is যদিও. যদিও আমরা বলি না যদিও লোকটা গরিব ছিল সে সৎ ছিল, যদিও আমার কাছে কোনো টাকা নেই আমার বইটি কেনার ইচ্ছা আছে, এই টাইপের সেন্টেন্সগুলো. Notice example number 1. Example number 1. Though the boy was brilliant. Though the boy was brilliant. Though the boy was brilliant. যেহেতু যদিও ছেলেটি মেধাবী ছিল, he, notice this verb. This verb is in the past form, so we have to write the verb in the past form also. Though the boy was brilliant, যদিও ছেলেটি মেধাবী ছিল, he didn't get a good job. যদিও ছেলেটি মেধাবী ছিল সে একটি ভালো চাকরি পেল না. Okay, another example. Although the man is poor, যদিও লোকটি হয় গরিব, সে হয় সৎ। যদিও লোকটি গরিব, সে সৎ, তবুও সে সৎ। হি ইজ অনেস্ট। He is honest. Okay, now we will go to rule number 5. Now we will go to rule number 5. Write down in your notebook. As if, as though. As if, as though. As if, as though. The Bangla meaning of as if, as though is যেন বা মনে হয় যেন, যেন বা মনে হয় যেন। At first, I will give you an example. Then I will write the structure. Okay. The man talks as if. The man talks. লোকটি কথা বলে, মনে হয় যেন। He subject. He knew everything. He knew everything. লোকটি কথা বলে, মনে হয় যেন সে সব কিছু জানে। The man talks as if. Notice, dear learners, as if. After as if, subject will come, then our verb, and that verb will be in the past form. That verb will be in the past form. As if, as though. After as if, as though, our verb will be in the past form. If there is be verb, and if there is be verb, the boy behaves as though he were a man. Notice, my learners, there is a principal verb, so the verb will be in the past form, and there is a be verb, am, is, or was, were. That verbs are be verb. So if there is be verb, that will be were. After he, we have to write were. After subject, he, or after subject, we have to write, instead of be verb, were. Okay. Now I will write the structure. As if, as though. Okay. After as if, as though. As if or as though. After as if or as though, we have to write subject plus verb এর 2 number form. That means verb এর past form. অথবা be verb এর পরিবর্তে, instead of be verb, there will be were. Instead of be verb, there will be were. Okay, dear students, now we will go to rule number 6. Now we will go to rule number 6. Write down in your notebook. Rule number 6. At least, L-E-S-T, list. The Bangla meaning of list is নইলে, অথবা তা না হলে, সরি, নচেত, নইলে অথবা নচেত। I will first give an example. List. Walk fast. List. The Bangla meaning of this is walk fast. দ্রুত হাঁটো, list. নচেত অথবা নইলে, অথবা নতুবা। দ্রুত হাঁটো নতুবা you should miss the bus. You should miss the bus. Notice, my students, after list we have to write subject, and then we have to obviously write should. Obviously you have to write should. Maximum time স্টুডেন্টসরা এই শুড লিখতেই ভুল করে এবং এই শুড লেখার কারণে না লেখার কারণে তাদের সেন্টেন্সটা কাটা যায়। এজন্য আমাদের যখনই লিস্ট থাকবে আমাদের খেয়াল রাখতে হবে যে আমাদের যাতে সাবজেক্টের পরে শুডটা লেখা হয়। সো নাও structure will be list plus subject. List, after list we have to write subject, then should, then baki ongsho extension. Dear learners, that's all from me today. Practice at your home because grammar is a topic of practice. So you have to practice again and again and keep connection with your books. Thanks for watching the class and see you in my next class. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.